Diagnosing a system with the iComfort S30 is a quick, easy, and convenient procedure. Simply press the icon in the upper right-hand corner, hit the Settings tab, click on the Advanced Settings option, and view the Dealer Control Center. Hit the Proceed button, and now, with the system running and cooling, let's take a look at what it's currently doing by hitting the Diagnostics button. We simply want to view the heat pump at this time, so we'll hit Start Diagnostics after deselecting the other two, and it'll tell us what the machine is currently doing at this point. For example, the first line shows that our compressor short cycle delay is not active. We're running at 40% cooling capacity. The reversing valve is in the cool mode. The high pressure, low pressure switch are both closed. The liquid line temperature of the unit is 98 degrees Fahrenheit. The ambient temperature is 92.1. The condenser coil temperature is 95.3 degrees. We can see that the outdoor fan motor is running at 658 RPM. The compressor hertz is at 22. We can see the temperature of the heat sink, the inverter voltage, the inverter input current, a DC link voltage, and the compressor current, all from the diagnostic screen. When complete, simply hit Stop Diagnostics. We can back up by hitting the back arrow. Now that we've diagnosed the heat pump, if we wanted to diagnose another part of the system, we could unselect heat pump, select the zoning control, and start diagnostics. And read the position of our zone dampers, zone temperature sensors, the temperatures in the individual zones, as well as multiple other pieces of information right from the diagnostic screen. When complete, simply stop the diagnostics. You can hit the back arrow to go back, and then once you're done, exit the Dealer Control Center.